Okay, Earth Trine, I am here back with you again. My apologies as I've just finished making one of the 4 videos that I'm going to make for this period. I did not make a video for any of the trines or the transit for June, as I explained to my air trine subscribers. I really needed a break. I needed some time off. Was like Dennis the Menace, put myself in a corner and reevaluated a lot of things. But I just needed the me time. I needed the me time. I've been doing this for a long time, and it's the first time in 5 years or 7 maybe that I've really taken a break. So, I'm here again. I've made some changes. I've made some changes to myself. I've made some changes to my logo and my designs, which you will see upcoming. But I do apologize for the lack of video last month. But I'm here once again, and you know me. The choice is yours through this with this journey through life with Vedic astrology and tarot alignment, and the choice is always yours. So let us see where we're going with this now for you, Earth Trine. Earth Trine. And there we have Clover, Heart, Key, Tree, Whip, Gentleman, interesting, Snake, Mice, and Bouquet. So the central card here, Earth Trine, sorry. The central card here is the Whip. And the Whip talks about conflict, some kind of aggression. So what are you conflicted about? And remember, Earth Trine, you are dealing with, at the end of the day, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So what is it you are conflicted about? What is it you want to beat out of your psyche or somebody else? And let's not be physical here. Let's just be that the Whip is here. And with the Jack of Clubs here. And clubs is usually associated with your daily routine, your work, your job. So is it something about your job that you're conflicted about, that you feel aggressive about, that you feel probably a little abused, you know? That is what is coming through to me here. And if we take this as the central card, as it should be, then we have Key and Snake here. And the Key tells us destiny, fate, karma. It's all there in the future because we're dealing with past, present, future. But the key is our destiny. We just can't get away from it. And whatever we feel conflicted about, the key is telling us that's our destiny. Our destiny is to always be on our toes, never be fully comfortable, because we always feel we have to achieve more. And Earth Trine, this is something that you do. You self-flagellate, as they say in another arena, that you take too much upon yourself, and in trying to help others, you end up with the bad name, you end up with the bad reputation, you end up with the end of the stick, as we say, so that the key here is your destiny, that you beat yourself up a lot. You beat yourself up a lot, so you don't need others to do it for you. But there's somebody, a gentleman, the Ace of Hearts here, with a new beginning. And hearts is all about emotions. So this gentleman is probably going to bring new beginnings for you. He's going to bring new beginnings to your emotions that probably will give you some kind of comfort zone, some kind of sanity. And bouquet, the bouquet tells us blessings, beauty, happiness, gifts. So all of this is in the future. But karma is what you have to be aware of in the future. And your heart, we have Jack of Hearts and Jack of Clubs here. And your heart is really with your workplace right now. Your heart is really with your workplace. But it's a diseased place. That place is a diseased place. It brings illness to you. It brings confusion to you. It brings unhappiness to you, worries, anxiety. So that that workplace is what is telling me is having this anxiety. In the past, the clover was the small things that really meant a lot to you. You were lucky, you had small joys, you had opportunities. Family was there rooted for you. The Seven of Hearts here. I know seven is always a good number, but there were also people who were manipulative, who were sly, who did not have your back, you know. And these are the persons who in the workplace brought this disease and mental illness to you, because your heart, even though your heart is full of work and you may have spent your entire life at work doing the best and being loyal, it just didn't work out for you in that place. It just did not work out for you. Or it's not working out for you. But the future looks bright. The future is happiness. Somebody is going to bring joy and happiness to you. It may not be a love relationship, but it might be something to do with your emotions. But the key is karma. And karma is the 8 of diamonds here. And 8 in Vedic astrology usually transfers into sudden changes, transformation, something that has to end but something new beginning. And something with finances and money is happening in the future for you. Something will end, but you will have new beginnings. So that Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, this is the reading for you in a short synopsis. And let us see where your mind is, because your emotions here seems to be all over the place. You have the heart, you have the tree, you have the gentleman here. So let us see what this, I introduced these moon cards in my last reading, and let us see exactly what these moon cards are going to bring for you. And at the end of the day, I'm just going to choose, as I said to my Trine, I'm just going to choose a random card. Sometimes you don't want to choose the top, so let's choose a random card. And the random card says Moon in Pisces, and it says, beware of indulging in negative or depressive tendencies. And Earth Trine, you saw this card, you saw the dealing of this pack. And didn't I talk about self-flagellation? Don't do that to yourself. Don't do that to yourself. Don't bring yourself down. Yes, everybody can do better. Yes, everybody has a lot of potential. We are not the divine. We are human beings. We make mistakes. So don't indulge in negative or depressive tendencies. The future is bright. What may not be working for you right now, it's going to all come up good for you. You have worked hard, you have been loyal. There were things in the past that you could not control, you did not see. You had some luck, you didn't have some luck. Your family was there, you were rooted in a good foundation here with this tree. Your health, your spirituality came out. You probably, like me, entered astrology and found peace and harmony and understood yourself better, and why. The question of why was answered for you. So, Earth Trine, this is your reading, and I hope all works well for you in the coming months.